Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is a haul. I have a package here that I purchased from Income Babes, and I just can't wait to dig in. So let's get to it. I love that the box says, "Oh, happy day." Yes. So I did order her A5 Build-A-Bank Deluxe mystery challenge box. So I was so happy when I got my hands on it because she only had a limited quantity of the deluxe mystery box. I was so happy to get it. She is doing right now a 90-day lock-in challenge where you just lock in and focus using this saving challenge box. So I won't be participating in this first 90 days, but I am going to start this very soon. And I can't wait because I've been watching Income Babes for a while now, and I love her creativity is unmatched. Okay, so first let's get into it. So this right here, let's see what's in here. I hope none of my information is in there. Okay, so we got a nice little paper clip here. This right here say free gift. I've been having this package for a couple of days, and I finally get a chance to dig at it. We got some cute little paper clips here. I like those. We have some stickers here. Ooh, these are cute. Cute. You know, that would go my Propmoney. Yes. We got a little card here. Oh, I thought that was a scratcher. A card here. I focus my energy on improving myself as I cannot change others, only inspire them through my actions. Ooh, I love that. Heck yeah. That is a word right there. Put everything back so I won't lose it. A nice thank you card. That is cute. And this is a little employment agreement for Build-A-Bank. Oh, this is cute. Oh, so just tell you what your responsibilities are and your benefits. So the whole theme around this Build-A-Bank is basically you are an employer at a banker, and you are just trying to build that bank, friends, trying to, get those that income up or that savings up, my fault. So we have this cashier's report here. It's a nice little envelope. And you have these here. So you did get to pick your own denominations. So these can be like placeholders. So the first, when I finish the first 400 basically. So each heart is $100. So you can just do both sides or whatever. I think that is how that works. And this is basically, you can just keep your cash in here to take to the bank. That is cute. I like that. Next, we have this $100 gold Propmoney. This is so cute. Yes. I like that with this clear envelope. Manifesting all the hundreds. And then we do have a couple of clear A6 envelopes here. That is cute. And I'm guessing that is going, so the deluxe, this deluxe box did come with a A6 binder. Sorry guys for the sound on the plastic. So this can be used, the A6 clear envelopes can be used for this binder. Nice. Cute. Yes. And I believe this is like a magnet bookmark. Is that what that? Yes. I believe that, yes, there we go. That is cute. Like that. So let's put that, try not to lose anything. Let's put that back because I know how I am. That is cute. I don't think I ever seen anyone offer the bookmark with the binder to match. That is cute. All right. And it keeps going, guys. Keep going. Next, in this cute little bag here, we have, yes. So she uses these. So this could be used as prop money. I like that. So you got 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, and 10s. Yes, these are so tiny and so cute. How you not like it? This is so, oh my gosh, I love this. I cannot wait to start this. And oh, and it comes with a die here. This is a cute color. I love it. This is like my color palette. Nice gem tones, neutral colors. I love this. This is cute. Oh, I just can't wait. Can't wait. All right, put that back in there. What should we pull out next? Let's do this one. So this is also a free gift. I just love this. Is, oh my goodness, this is so creative and so cute. So we have our banker ID. This is cute. Oh my gosh. And I believe some people are putting like their own like picture or logo on here too. So you have your little banker ID. We got to get into work, girl, and get those savings up. Then we have a cute little book here. That is cute. So you can take notes, write down your progress there. Oh, and some stickers. Yes. So you can decorate your book here. Perfect. All right. Where should I put this? Let's, I don't know. Put it over here. All right. Let's do all this, all the thank yous. Another thank you envelope. Ooh, and this is a nice little post-it note. Okay. I like that. And another thank you card. So you can write your little things on your post-it notes. Next we have here. Ooh, record life. These are cute. I like that they are like vellum and see-through. So basically you can just take note, write notes on here too. This is cute. I like this. Ooh, yes, I like that. Okay. I'm gonna say that for, should I say that for last? Let's say that one for last. Let's keep going. Keep going. I just like these little envelopes. They are so cute. So now, oh, you have a debit card. That is cute. Oh, and some more posties. That's cute. I like that. So you have your debit card. Don't try to take, look at you trying to take my debit number. So you have a debit card. This is a dashboard. It says Income Babes. This is so freaking cute. I can't wait to put it all together. We also have a bookmark. And see, let's see what's in this one. Ooh. So you got some tabs here. This is cute. Some tabs. You can even put these on those clear envelopes if you want to and make them for different categories. So we're gonna say that for last. I think something fell out of here. I think in this envelope that says thank you, these are the rings here. Oh, no, dear. Oh, well, one just fell. But these are the rings for the Saving Challenge book. Try to put these back in here. Yeah, I think it just fell out. All right, and this, thank you, is just another card from Catch Your Dreams. Courage over fear. Everyone feels the same fears. Doers just have more courage. Take a look at your ideas and opportunities and have the courage to take action. I respect myself. Oh, this is cute. I love this. Just a little reminder. Courage over fear. Yes. Another free gift. All right, you just have a couple sheets of a dotted grid to take notes from on. That is cute. Just gonna set that there and try to struggle to put that. Oh, another disc right there. All right. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, so inside this box, you got a Sharpie. You got a highlighter. That is cute. And you got a pen. She said this is one of her favorite pens, so I can't wait. I love pens. I'm a nerd, so I'm a collector of pens. So that is cute. Next we have, this is like a, what you call these? Dividers. There you go. So frosted dividers. And those had the rings to go with the Saving Challenge book, I'm guessing. And then we have a cute pouch here. This color is everything. I love this. This is, I'm telling you guys, this is my colors. I love this. Oh my goodness. I wish this was a purse because I would carry it. So you can just, this can be a money bag if you want it to be. You can put your Saving Challenge book in here. Do it fit? Will it fit? No, it don't quite fit. Oh yeah, dude. Look at that. So if I take it out the plastic, it might fit. I don't know. But that's something cute. I just love this. This color is everything. I really think I'm going to use it as my traveling cosmetic bag. This is cute. I love this color. Okay. So that is those. So let's open up the Saving Challenge itself. I know you guys was waiting, but this is the bomb.com. This is like my first, like, I think is this my first? No, this isn't. I'm about to say this is my first mystery challenge box, but I don't think it is. But this is like my favorite so far. Oh dear. I'm sorry. I'm dropping stuff. All right. So inside this nice, even this is, see, I like that she had, everything is like reusable almost. So I like this because I can reuse this. This is cute. So this is the Saving Challenge book itself. Build a bank. This is so, okay, I'm gonna stop saying this is so cute. But this, I love this. So you have your different teals. And basically, you can just customize this however it fits your income. I love the colors. The graphics is on point. This is cute. Do you have your happy customers? Your angry customers? Camping trip? Self-care? Your choco savings or chocolate savings. That is cute. Rainy day. Annual leave. Hello, doctor. The ice cream machine. Coffee station. Oh, that's my favorite coffee station right there. Bathroom break, because, you know, while we're working, we do need bathroom breaks. And right here is your cards. So I just have to cut all these out. And this just goes with each of like your tills, your happy customer, your bathroom break, and all that. That is cute. And I like that she put like 3 of them on one card. I just like how tiny they are. So this one has, I believe that's the angry, right? Of course, I can't find it. I got to get used to where everything is. Yes, so that's the angry customer. And then, so you can just, with this one, you can make each icon $1.50. Doesn't matter, whatever is in your budget. Or you can roll a dice. Hey. And then she has some bonus customer reviews. That is cute. So what is this one? What is that one? That one is till number 5. So till number 5, either you can make all these $5, or you can roll a dice and make them whatever you want to. I like that. And then you just go to the next one. I believe that's the chocolate one. I can't wait to put this together. Yes, so the chocolate one, you can roll a dice or determine what each icon is. And then it has a bonus savings of $1 down here. I like that. And once you can either do one card, all 3 of them, or you can just do one, put that card back in the stack, draw another card, keep going. I like this. Now, and this is the budget sheet here. So you can put the date, how much you put in, and then the balance, if you need to take some out, to track how much you took out and what the balance is. Oh, I just can't wait to use this. All right, gems, I think that is it from, yes, that's everything in the box. This was a great purchase. I love this. And this is something I can just use year after year after year. I absolutely love this. All right, gems. If you love this or you want to see others play this challenge, go check Income Babes out. She's good. I will leave her link down below, so you guys can check her out, give her a shout out. Thank you again, everyone, for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.